Have you ever seen a sea otter? These delightful creatures are often spotted floating on their backs, looking as relaxed as can be. They're one of the cutest animals in the ocean. With their expressive eyes and endearing behaviors, it's no wonder they capture our hearts. These furry creatures are full of energy and love to play. Whether they're chasing each other through the water or playing with kelp, their playful nature is always on display. Sea otters are like the puppies of the sea. They exhibit a level of curiosity and playfulness that is truly reminiscent of our beloved canine companions. Sea otters are the smallest marine mammals in the world. Despite their small size, they play a big role in their environment. They have thick fur coats to keep them warm in cold water. In fact, their fur is the densest of any animal, with up to 1 million hairs per square inch. Their playful antics and adorable faces make them a joy to watch. It's hard not to smile when you see a sea otter playing with a shell or rolling around on the shore. But sea otters are more than just cute faces. They are important members of the ocean ecosystem. They help control sea urchin populations, which in turn helps maintain the health of kelp forests. Without sea otters, these underwater forests could be at risk. Sea otters also have a strong social structure. Mothers are incredibly attentive to their pups, teaching them essential survival skills. And did you know that sea otters hold hands while sleeping to stay together? This behavior, known as rafting, ensures they don't drift apart in the currents. So next time you see a sea otter, remember that these cuddly critters are not just adorable but also vital to the ocean's health. Their presence is a testament to the intricate balance of marine life. Sea otters live in the vast and beautiful Pacific Ocean, where the waters are teeming with life. You can find them along the coastal areas of North America and Asia, from the chilly waters of Alaska to the temperate shores of California, and even as far as the coasts of Russia and Japan. They prefer to live in shallow waters where they can easily find their favorite foods like sea urchins, clams, and crabs. These shallow areas are rich in marine life, providing a bountiful buffet for the otters. Kelp forests are like underwater forests with towering kelp plants that can grow up to 150 feet tall. These underwater jungles are not only beautiful but also crucial for the ecosystem. These forests are a favorite hangout spot for sea otters. They love to play, rest, and even wrap themselves in the kelp to keep from drifting away while they sleep. The kelp provides them with shelter from predators like sharks and orcas, as well as protection from the stormy seas. It's a safe haven where they can relax and raise their young. Sea otters are well adapted to life in the water, with webbed feet that make them excellent swimmers and a thick, buoyant fur coat that keeps them warm in the cold ocean waters. Their fur is the densest of any animal, with up to 1 million hairs per square inch, providing insulation and buoyancy. What's on the menu for a sea otter? Seafood, of course. These animals are carnivores, and their diet consists mainly of shellfish, crabs, and other invertebrates. They have a special pouch under their arm to store extra food. Sea otters are clever hunters. They use tools like rocks to crack open hard shells. They dive down to the ocean floor to search for food. Their whiskers help them find prey in murky water. Section 4. Otterly amazing behaviors. Sea otters are social animals. They live in groups called rafts. Rafts can be quite large, sometimes with hundreds of otters. To stay warm, sea otters wrap themselves in kelp while they sleep. Sea otters play a crucial role in keeping their environment healthy. They are a keystone species. This means they have a big impact on their ecosystem. By controlling populations of sea urchins, they help kelp forests thrive. Section 5. Fun facts about sea otters. Did you know that sea otters have the densest fur of any animal? They have up to 1 million hairs per square inch. That's why they are so fluffy and can stay warm in cold water. Sea otters spend most of their lives in the water. They even sleep, eat, and give birth in the water. Mother otters are very protective of their pups and carry them on their bellies. Section 6. Sea otters, guardians of the kelp forest. These playful and intelligent creatures are more than just adorable faces. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their underwater homes. Kelp forests are vital to the health of our oceans. They act as underwater rainforests, providing a rich habitat for a diverse array of marine life. They provide food and shelter for many marine animals, from tiny invertebrates to large fish and even marine mammals. Sea otters help keep kelp forests healthy by eating sea urchins. These spiny creatures can be quite destructive if left unchecked. Sea urchins love to eat kelp, and they can consume large amounts of it very quickly. If their populations grow too large, they can overgraze the kelp, leading to barren underwater landscapes. They can destroy entire kelp forests, turning vibrant ecosystems into desolate areas devoid of life. By keeping sea urchin numbers in check, sea otters play a pivotal role in preserving the health and stability of these underwater forests. Sea otters protect these underwater forests and the animals that depend on them. Their presence ensures that the kelp forests remain lush and thriving. The diverse marine life that thrives in these protected kelp forests owes much to the diligent guardianship of the sea otters. From the smallest shrimp to the largest fish, all benefit from the balance maintained by these remarkable creatures. Section 7. Our role in protecting sea otters. Sea otters face many threats, including pollution, habitat loss, and climate change. It is important for us to protect these amazing creatures and their ocean home. We can all do our part by reducing our carbon footprint, keeping our oceans clean, and supporting organizations that protect marine life. Together, we can ensure that sea otters continue to thrive for generations to come.